Did you know that one single Comté cheese unites 2,500 teeny villages hidden in the Jura mountains? Every year they craft 1.5 million wheels of Comté. Call it cheese if you want, the locals called it a religion. But most people still think it's just Gruyère. Stick around, you might just melt. Let's put Comté on the map. Picture alpine meadows nestled between pine forests and snowy peaks. Here, cows so classy they carry an IOP passport. The Montbéliard graze freely year-round. The Jura is a small mountain range in eastern France, right next to Switzerland. Here, cheese isn't just food, it's a way of life. Every village has its own fruitière, a cozy dairy cooperative where neighbors turn fresh milk into massive golden wheels. These wheels feed entire communities throughout the longest winters. So now that we know where Comté is made, have you ever wondered how this legendary cheese was born? Spoiler alert, it didn't come from a fancy kitchen, but from the resourcefulness of medieval mountain farmers. Back in the 13th century, mountain farmers faced a big problem: how to store milk long enough to survive harsh winters without fridges or freezers. Their brilliant solutions: pooling their milk in a fruitière, a community dairy, to make huge cheese wheels that could last for months. This wasn't just teamwork, it was survival. And here is the kicker. Those giant wheels can weigh up to 60 kilos. Imagine the muscle these medieval monks had to age them. Fast forward to today, and this centuries-old tradition still holds strong. No factory shortcuts here, just real craftsmanship passed on through generations. So, how does milk become Comté? First, it all starts with raw milk from Montbéliard or Simmental cows, grazing happily within 25 kilometers of the fruitière. Twice a day, farmers collect the milk, which is then warmed, curdled, and gently stirred, until it looks like tiny grains of cottage cheese. Next, the curds are pressed into molds, marked with a green band, the AOP guarantee, and sent off to huge aging cellars. This is where the magic happens. The affineur, or master cheese maturer, brushes, turns, and inspects each wheel carefully for months, sometimes even years. Comté must age for at least 4 months, but the best ones rest 12, 18, even 24 months. The longer it ages, the nuttier and more complex it becomes. And those crunchy crystals you love? They are tyrosine, or as I like to call them, cheese diamonds. Every bite carries the taste of summer grass, alpine milk, and a cold Jura winter, all wrapped into one delicious wheel. So, how do you eat Comté like a true French foodie? Young Comté is milky and sweet. Old Comté is stronger, saltier, with deep, nutty notes. Pair it with a rustic bread and a glass of Vin Jaune, the Jura's signature wine, or just a crisp white wine. But why stop there? Comté is a kitchen superstar. Picture a golden gratin dauphinois, thin slice of potato soak in cream, topped with a crispy, bubbling Comté crust. For a quick snack, try Comté cubes with sweet apple slice or crunchy walnuts. Simple, yet perfectly balanced flavors and textures. And for a true French classic, light, airy soufflé au fromage made with Comté. It puffs up in the oven and delivers a rich, cheesy delight. Every recipe shows a new side of this amazing cheese, turning humble ingredients into unforgettable dishes. So, grab some Comté and start exploring. Your taste buds will thank you. So there you have it. One cheese, thousands of villages, and centuries of patience, all rolled into one wheel of Comté. Tell me, are you Team Young Comté or Team Age Comté? Let me know in the comment below. And if you enjoy discovering the true taste of French, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned because next time we are diving into the world of French charcuterie with a delicious journey all about saucisson. You won't want to miss it. See you there, my foodies!